Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Crystal and you're watching Fashion, Beauty, and Wine. So in today's video, I'm going to be revamping my makeup. Now, I'm not going to be doing anything drastic because I already have a full face of makeup. But what I wanted to do is show you how to recover when you've been wearing your makeup for 6 hours or plus, like what my makeup is right now. I wanted to show you all how to revamp your makeup when you've been wearing it for so long and it is looking like a grease ball, so that it doesn't look cakey and bulky, but instead refreshing, flawless, and new. So if you want to see how I revamp this look as well as my hair, because I feel like my hair, I can use a couple of curls as well. But anyway, if you all want to see me revamp this look and turn it into something that looks new and refreshing and flawless, then stick around and watch the rest of this video. Okay, so I zoomed the camera in just so that you can get a better picture of my face and what's going on with it right now. I'm just really all oily in this area. Not to mention I kind of have a line. I don't know if you all can see that, but I have a line right here going across my eyes, which I want to get rid of. And then if we look at my eyes, I feel like, they could be touched up a little bit more, and maybe, this can be cleaned. The eyeshadow underneath my eyes can be cleaned up as well. And then on top of that, my lipstick as well too, because right now it's cracking, it's bleeding, and quite frankly, it's a goddamn mess. Anyhow, let's start off with the easier things, and I'm gonna kind of just take you all step by step in what I'm doing so that you can get a good idea of what I'm doing. So the first thing that I'm going to do is dig into the eyeshadow palette that I used to come up with this look. I used No Biggie by ColourPop. So it's a 4-shade eyeshadow palette, and these are the 4 colors that it comes with. Now, the 2 colors that I used were 20 something and Lay Low. Honestly, those are the only 2 colors I use on my lid. The other color that you see is strictly concealer. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is just dip into that Lay Low, and I'm just going to fix my eyes back up, kind of darkening them. And I'm literally lightly buffing this into the skin, because there's already some on there and I don't want to make it too dark. I want to make it look like it's new. The next thing that I'm going to do, obviously, is take that Lay Low, and I'm just going to apply a little bit to the lid to just make it pop. Okay, pop a little bit of that back into the eyelid because it's all gone. And then next, what I'm going to do, just checking to see, if the eyebrows are all okay. So right now, I'm just gonna fix my eyebrows. And if I need to put extra product, then I will. So now that we have that done, I'm going to take my black eyeliner that I used underneath the eyes, because if you all notice, it looks like it's transparent. I just want to darken and deepen, especially near the waterline. Can y'all tell? Okay, that looks much better. So in this step, what I like to do is I like to use the Dual Finish Powder by Lancome. I use the color 520 Suede. And what I'm going to do is basically put that in my cheek area. I'm actually going to cover up all of the blush that you see, all of the highlighter, and then I'm just going to reapply that once I do this. Soak up that oil. Okay, so after we have that shine taken away, what I am going to do is grab my contour powder. Now I use the color Deep Bronze by Becca, and then I'm going to re-contour my cheeks underneath my jawline. And let's just say we're going out on a date, like it's date night, or we're going out with the girls, it's after happy hour. So you can do this in the bathroom. Not that I would, but no shade for those of you that do. We're gonna contour the forehead. And what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of setting powder and I'm gonna set under those eyes. You really don't need any because the under eyes really don't collect as much oil as the rest of your face. But if you want to brighten up the rest of your face to make it all look uniform, then you can throw on a little bit of powder, and honestly, I would not let it bake. I would just throw in enough to just brighten everything back up. Okay, now that we've done that, we're gonna sweep all of that off with the same brush that we used while putting on the foundation powder. It's a good thing right now we're looking ashy, and this is a good thing because before we were looking greasy. Now we're gonna go back in, we're gonna take our blush. Now we're coming back to life. I'm telling you, coming back to life. So I'm gonna take Ray of Light by Too Faced and I'm gonna apply that to my cheekbones. Now that I've done that, I'm going to take my Becca Sun Bronzer in the color Ipanema Sun, and I am going to contour my nose. So I'm gonna take the color Spunk by Mars, and I'm gonna clean up my lips. Now that I've done that, I'm going to use Boy by ColourPop and pop that in the center of my lips. Yeah, I see how dry our lips are. So now that we have the lips and everything done, what I'm gonna do is put on some setting spray to bring this ashy face back to life. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, okay, we're gonna bring this hair back to life. I like it kind of messy like this, like when I pull it off, but I feel like this side could use some curls. Definitely like some little tousled curls.
in my feelings. Notice they ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety.
Okay, so this is the finished look, and I hope you all enjoyed this. This is a quick video. This is literally a video to help you go from almost happy hour to girls night out, if that makes any sense. Like, I want to be able to boost you up to that next level without giving you so much work to do, because like honestly, when it's Friday and you've had happy hour and then you're going to do girls night out, people don't have time to be doing a whole full fresh face. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to give you a little bit of information, a little bit of tips and tricks on how to transform yourself from a mess to looking flawless. As always, if you have, don't forget to press that thumbs up button. And if you are watching this video and you're not subscribed, take a moment to press that little subscribe button. And then while you're at it, don't forget to press that alert bell so that you can be alerted every time I post a new video. Now, I am on social media. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, all in the keywords fashion, beauty, and wine. In the spirit of me, Crystal T, I wish you all nothing but peace, love, fashion, beauty, and wine. Bye-bye.